Hello, my friends. Welcome to Unlock English Podcast. My name is Alex. Today, we will talk about why listening is so important when you learn English. Many people want to speak English well, but they forget that listening is the first step. When you listen, you learn how words sound. You hear how people use words in real life. You also learn new words and phrases. Listening helps you understand English better. It is like building a house. You need a strong base before you can build the walls and roof. Listening is the base for your English. If you listen a lot, you will speak better too. Some people feel nervous when they listen to English. They think, I do not understand. It is too fast. But do not worry. It is normal to feel this way at first. When I started learning a new language, I felt the same. I did not understand much, but I kept listening every day. Slowly, I started to understand more. It is like learning to swim. At first, the water feels cold and deep. But if you go in every day, you get used to it. Your ears need time to get used to English sounds, so do not give up. Try to listen to English every day, even if it is just for a few minutes. You can listen to podcasts, songs, or watch videos. You can also listen to people talking in real life. If you do not live in an English-speaking country, you can find English online. There are many free resources. The more you listen, the more you will understand. Do not worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on the main idea. With time, you will understand more and more. Remember, listening is the first step to speaking well. If you listen a lot, your brain will learn the sounds and patterns of English. This will help you speak more naturally. So make listening a part of your daily routine. You can listen while you walk, cook, or travel. It doesn't have to be hard. Just enjoy the process. Every minute you listen is helping you get better. You are doing a great job by listening to this podcast today. Keep going, and you will see progress. In the next section, I will share a short story for you to practice your listening skills. Get ready to listen and learn. Now let us practice listening with a short story. Listen carefully and try to understand the main idea. Do not worry if you do not understand every word. Just relax and enjoy the story with me. Here is the story. Anna is a student. She wants to learn English. Every morning, Anna wakes up early. She makes a cup of tea and sits by the window. She listens to English podcasts for 10 minutes. At first, Anna did not understand much. The words sounded fast and strange. But Anna did not give up. She listened every day. After 1 week, Anna started to understand more words. She felt happy and proud. One day, Anna heard a new word. The word was journey. She did not know what it meant. She wrote it down and looked it up later. Now, Anna uses the word journey when she talks about learning English. She says, learning English is a journey. It takes time, but I am getting better every day. Anna also practices speaking. She repeats sentences from the podcast. She talks to herself in English. Sometimes she makes mistakes, but she knows that mistakes help her learn. Anna also listens to English songs. She sings along and learns new words. Anna's friends see her progress. They ask her, "How did you get so good at English?" Anna smiles and says, "I listen every day. I practice and do not give up." Anna's story shows us that listening is very important. If you listen every day, you will get better too. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to feel slow. The important thing is to keep going. You are on your own English journey, just like Anna. Keep listening, keep practicing, and you will see progress. Now, let us talk about how you can use stories like this to improve your English.